Hello. Y- your suggestion, I think it's the right name, or yes, with a mask, it doesn't work. Here is the radial symmetry on, but these are you need only one radial symmetry one. You need only one winding for the spiral, not four or three, or this is only one winding, and it goes like this, and it's totally not the way to do it. So is a way to paint the spiral on it. And when you draw it with four, then you got a other. Yes, it's not working. The only way you can do it, sorry, I delete the mask, is to use the 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 turntable and brush it like this. Oh, it's too much. Ah, radial symmetry is on. You see, it's not working. Um, Turntable. Yes, max speed like this. But it's absolutely not a precise working. It's jaggy and yes, it's yes, you can make a horn or something like this, or a vase, but the mask is not the tool, I think. Okay, have fun sculpting. Ciao.